right, what's up, guys? So, before we jump into it, I'm gonna have a little bit of hair history with Chantel to find out what she's been doing with her hair. I've been checking out your Instagram and I see you've been wearing a lot of closure wigs. I want to know why you're currently wearing a lot of closure wigs and what do you feel will be different with you getting this U-part wig today?
I've been wearing a lot of closure wigs because I am protecting my hair. I am
Hmm.
on my hair growth journey, as you can see, because my hair is
Yes, it looks
shorter.
so good. Yeah,
Thank
it's
you.
growing
It's time
really,
for a
really good.
trim, but I've been shopping with Go Sleek since I think
Like 29,
2021.
2020,
2020, it
uh-huh.
was during COVID when COVID for clip-ins.
Mm-hmm.
I still have my closure wigs from her. I work out in one of my closure wigs. I have a couple closure wigs. But I want to do a U part this time because I want the more like natural. Anytime I
Yes.
wear a wig or glue this wig or closure wig or whatever, it has or clip-ins, it has to look natural.
So do you feel like your wig looks don't necessarily look as natural as you would like them to? The closure wigs?
I feel like they do, but nothing tops seeing a real scalp, like
Exactly.
seeing your actual hair
Exactly.
and just seeing your hairline, like how your hair looks. It looks like your
I
hair.
know.
It looks so good.
Look,
So
half wig club here. Y'all know
yeah,
I'm a half wig girl.
and I have a half wig from Go Sleek as well. So I just want to just switch it up a little bit and have my natural hair out. I want to be able to place behind my ears and you see my actual
Right.
line because my hair is full and it's thick and it's beautiful and it's healthy. I want to see all of that.
All right, well, let's go ahead and jump into it. I know we talked about you getting a 20-inch
Mm-hmm.
U-part wig, but I wanted to surprise you and let you know that you're actually getting 3 different lengths today. I know.
That's a
You're gonna
birthday
get,
gift.
I
That is
know, right? I know.
wow.
You said you just had a birthday, and I was like, you know what? I need to give a little bit of education on the different lengths, but I was like, why not go ahead and give her
Mm-hmm.
all three? So now you will have a length for every occasion. I know you say you want to cut your short one into a bob.
Yeah, like a short, like a just a clean bob, like a good look clean bob. What my is gonna be a U
With,
part.
right, with your U
So
part. So you're gonna have a 12-inch U part, 16-inch, and 20-inch to do whatever you want to
the
do
20
with
inch
it.
I think would be perfect. Like because I think I've seen it over there and it's so straight.
Mhm.
If I'm wearing a hat or a scarf.
And it's nothing like having options,
Mm-hmm.
right? So I feel
Mm-hmm.
like one wig is cool, but when you have others to choose from that can go with different outfits or just whatever you're
Right.
feeling day to day, this is going to be perfect for you.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I have already straightened out the wigs, so they're not as kinky straight as they
Okay.
actually come when I get ready to put it on your head, but you normally order kinky straight
I
or
always get deep curly. I'm a jolly deep curly
oh,
girl
okay, I can see
because
that.
I've
You
always
have
been afraid of kinky.
really.
I feel like I've always thought kinky didn't get as straight based off what I see in the hair stores and
Mhm.
seeing other styles out there where it's kinky but it's not straight. I like for it to look straight. What
Yes.
or from curling it, I need to have body and curls in it, but kinky straight has always made me nervous. So this is new for me.
Okay, so don't be nervous. I
Okay.
know, so let me just say this. Not all wigs, not all kinky straight hair extensions are made equal because yes, a go sleek kinky straight wig can
Hmm.
get super straight and you are about to find out now.
Okay.
So let's jump into it. I'm going to go ahead and get you braided down. Make sure you're the right fit for these wigs. And then we'll go from there.
And then if I'm not the right fit, then what?
Well, I guess we are gonna have to end this video real short.
I got things to do.
I know, right? We're gonna find out today. All right, so
Right.
let's see. So before I braid her all the way up, I almost forgot. I need to test this to make sure we've left out enough here in the U shape as well as her edges. Because if I don't do that, I get to the end and realize I have not left out enough or I need to leave out more. I want to go ahead and do that now. So let's see. I think this is it. Yeah. And honestly, we're gonna gain so much more space once your hair is actually braided down.
Hmm.
It's gonna get a lot flatter. But yeah, I think this is gonna be a good fit. All right, so we got you all braided up. Just want to show them your braid down. her hair being long, I had to stitch this across. Let's start with the 20" and work our way down to the 12.
Is it possible to have it pressed not on 450, like to do like a lower heat?
Sure. So you're doing less heat now? That's kind of like your...
Yeah, I feel like I can get what I need with like just less heat. It keeps the volume in there. I don't like bone straight. I feel like it just makes my hair super straight.
Makes sense, and we can absolutely do that. I wouldn't say that higher temperatures will cause the damage. I think it's more so the frequency in which you are actually doing the heat styling that's causing most of the damage.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
Yeah. But with your hair being clean, like if we did do a higher temperature, it wouldn't hurt it, but I understand what you mean by it not being too silky.
Yeah. Because I feel like with the kinky, I think it'll blend better with it being like on 400, right? Not
Right.
450? Okay.
Yep. Totally
That's what it
understand.
is. I don't want it to be too silky.
Got it. Okay.
Because the kinky is textured, right? To where it's not like super straight.
Right. It's
Okay.
not gonna look super silky, so you're headed in the right direction
Okay.
as far as not wanting your hair to look too silky. We want it to blend, but we'll see once we put it on.
Okay, good.
So we're gonna start with our long one. Already straightened it out. All right, so we got these 3 clip-in combs at the top, wig combs on the side. She has her wig comb at the bottom. How does that comb feel that I just put in?
I don't even feel it.
Awesome. Okay. And then I come around and do the one on the left side. Then I do this one in the back.
This feels very comfy.
I like that. Okay.
Yeah.
And you thought it was gonna feel heavy?
Look at that. Wow.
And then you could let me know if you wanna cut some of it. Well, I'm gonna face frame it anyway.
Yeah, I definitely want it to be face frame. And then, are you? What do you think? Shake it layered a little bit, or?
Yep, we could go through and layer it some.
just a little bit.
But this one,
It blends so well. Like my hair, I can't even.
You can't see where your hair really stops and starts. Let me see. Can y'all see where it stops and starts? That's the most important thing when it comes to hair extensions. No one should know that you are wearing a weave. So the blend
And then I can
picking
put
the
it
right
behind my
texture.
ear. Yeah.
Look, drop a 1 in the comments if you're feeling this. So actually, I want them to see where this 20" stops.
It's a true 20.
Oh, it's a true 20.
Because people be saying, oh,
Like-
it's a 20" and then the thing be shrinking. I'm like, I don't want that.
No, like it's down here. It's at your waist.
Yeah, that's a long 20.
Girl, so this is your final look. What do you think? What would you
like
rate
it.
this one?
Right. Okay. So I can't wait for the next one. I'm
know.
gonna say it's like a 8.
An 8.
8.5.
Okay. All right, y'all. She's giving this an 8. What are y'all giving this? 20". I like it. I like it. I'll take an 8.
8.5.
8.5.
Yeah.
I love it.
I'm really excited about this one. I don't know why.
The 16.
Yeah.
This is like the perfect length, in my
Yeah.
opinion. You know, everybody, they like the length they like. But 16 is just like that happy medium. It's not too short. It's not too long.
Yeah, I love it. And then it's natural. The color, it just looks like it'll be my hair. So
Right. Yes, I agree. So let's see how you like this one. So here we are with the 16.
it looks more natural because my hair is like right here.
This is probably your hair once you straighten it out.
Well, no,
Not this long yet?
No, not this long yet, but it's getting there. It's a goals. So far, this is my favorite one.
It's your favorite one?
Because it just looks more. The other one's really nice. I ain't even gonna hold you. It's still nice, but I guess this one looks more natural because my hair is like right here.
Yeah, I like it. I'm loving this.
Like people would probably think it's my red hair. Literally, if I'm out, you would think it's my red hair.
All right, so let's go ahead and trim this. I won't trim too much since I know you like the length. But is this the one we're gonna curl?
Yeah,
Got it.
like a silk press.
Yeah.
Look at that. See, this is like my favorite so far.
Well, I'm not doing like deep layers in it since your hair is so long. But just more like a trim on the extensions.
I'm seeing it. This looks so. Do you see how natural that looks? Do you just, it looks like my hair. As you can probably see, this is like my favorite one.
This your favorite one? Yeah.
Because it's just, I'm all about just making it look like it's mine. And you see how like my hair just blend. I love it.
And I see, like, I love that you was like, don't silk press my hair like too straight.
Yeah.
Because I think that actually made it blend even better.
Yeah, that's why, yeah. I'm learning my hair, child.
Love it. All right. So let's add our light curls throughout, and then we'll move on into the next one.
Okay.
All right. What do you feel about this one?
I love it. It doesn't even feel like a U-part. Like, it doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything on my head right now.
Oh, I love that. So it feels light.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. What you think?
Oh, my God.
Is that the way you want it?
I freaking love it. What the hell?
See, that's the reaction I've been waiting on.
Girl. I'm sorry, I'm so loud, y'all.
I know. No.
But this is
what you wanted.
You
just wanted some curls.
This is my style.
I know.
You see it?
I know. You just wanted some curls? Yeah, that's all she wanted was some curls.
Yeah, and this is my style, but this looks like a freaking sew-in.
Yeah,
it feels comfortable because you didn't, you have so many ways to fit your head if your head is really small, or I'm a medium size. I don't feel the combs because you made it comfortable. I don't even feel anything up here. I don't feel anything on the side, and
awesome.
I don't, and it sits. But this is what I'm talking about. See?
I love it. I love it. This is you. This is
I ain't taking this off.
I'm gonna fix it for you. I promise. We should have did it in the other order. We should have did 20.
I don't want to take it
natural.
off. I don't, but I'm gonna take it off tonight. But I really don't want to take it off. I'm a volume girl. Like, do you see how well that blend? Do you see that?
Yeah.
You see why I don't like bone straight, right?
Yeah. It's perfect.
It gives texture, and I don't mind texture. I work out anyways. Like, my hair is out on top, but do you see how well that blends?
It's amazing. Look, 10.
10.
She gave this a 10.
Let's go
ahead. Let's go to the 12-inch.
Y'all see it.
All right. So now we have the last and final look, which is going to be our 12-inch.
Mm-hmm. I feel like this is going to surprise me even more.
I know.
I'm nervous. Ooh, look at that side part.
How'd it feel?
I scared you a little bit.
You did scare me.
I know, you stopped.
This one actually might be your natural length. Like your real hair length already.
It's almost there. It's just not as thick.
But the blend on this one is still just as amazing.
Oh, absolutely.
The color, the texture.
Uh-huh.
It's all there.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So this is before the trim. So here is our 12-inch. What do you think of the length? I know you don't like straight, but what do you think of the length?
It looks like, I think it's okay. It looks like my natural hair. I like the 16 better.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
But this is like, it's a tie between the 20 and this length.
All right, so we found our perfect length today, which is the 16-inch.
Mm-hmm.
And if you like what you see here, you can definitely shop the U-Part wigs in Kinky Straight online at ghostsleek.com.
And it curls.
Oh, look, and it curls. Right, now we need to see if this holds. So the U-Part wigs are also available in the body wave texture, which is a lot more silkier than this texture. But yeah, if you're not a kinky straight girl, we definitely have other options for you. And make sure you go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and do that as well. And I will catch you at the next video.